Guys, how are you doing? So today I thought I'd come to you and give you like a really like beautiful pink crushed velvet look. And I actually tried really hard with the eyeshadows, and obviously it's inspired by this hair and by a beautiful pink velvet dress that I got from Club L London, or I think it's Club London, but I'll leave the name down below or on the screen. But I thought I'd just come by and give you like a full glam sexy licious. I can never be normal, can I? So I'm not good at this bougie thing yet, because it just goes out the window, you know what I mean? You see how I started to how I am now. But yeah, I thought I'd give you this look, and you know, hopefully you can create it. It took me about an hour to do properly, because you know, trying to play around with makeup and all that. But I really hope that you like this look. I hope you like my dress. I hope you like my hair. This is from Hair by Renee custom unit. It's buff, and yeah man, it's just cool, isn't it? But yes, thanks so much for watching, guys. And I'm nearly at 200k. Maybe I'm now, I don't know, but either way, thank you. You lot are proper G's, you know, for like following me and supporting me and all that shizzle. But yeah, thanks so much. See you in my next video. Enjoy, alright? So we're just gonna start off by brushing out our brows, and I'm filling them in with the Benefit Groove Proof Brow Pencil in the color 6. I love this stuff. I love my brows at the moment just because they're more fuller and stuff like that, so it's all good in the hood. I'm concealing my brows with the Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal Concealer in C13. Sorry I didn't show the thing, but I was in an Instagram video, so you know. But I put that on my lid as well and pat it out, and then set it with setting powder. I'm using the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. Also, guys, sorry about this bit. I previously recorded this as an Instagram video, but I thought let me turn it into a YouTube video as well. But basically, what I'm doing is just you know, building up the color and trying to make the crease a bit deeper, and I'm going back in with that Makeup Revolution concealer and doing like a cut crease, but just only half the way, because I'm going to add some of that glitter onto that bit of the lid. So all you do is just carve out the crease, and then you just set it with powder. And then I'm just taking the second to darkest shade, which I will show you at the end, into the crease just to define it a little bit more, and blend everything out. Make sure that it's really seamless and really pretty. I'm doing that to the other eye, so we just like need a nice half-ish cut crease. This is really good for hooded eyes. Now I'm using that like foily, I think it looks like crushed velvet in the palette. I'm just putting that on the first half of my lid. I'm doing it to the other eye. Make sure that you wet the brush, guys. The color payoff is even better. Then I'm going to just be cleaning up everything and just blending everything in together and just deepen up that crease. Blend. All these brushes are by Sigma, by the way. I never really know the names. So these are the colors that I used. Yes. And then I'm putting on some lashes from Love Lashes. They are beautiful, guys. Don't forget that everything will be linked in the description bar below, so you can check everything out and you know, buy them. I'm using a Huda Beauty primer to prime my face, and then I'm going to be using the Benefit Pore Professional Matte Rescue just to, you know, cover up the pores and to make the inner parts more matte, because that's the part that gets the most oiliest. Now back in with the Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in the shade C15. I'm just using to conceal my upper lip because it's quite dark, and just conceal any dark marks on my face, any spots, because I have been breaking out. Then I'm going to use that concealer and go on the top of my brows because it matches my skin, you know, so I'm just using that to go on top of my brows and just to shape them and make them really sharp, and then just blend that out. Once that's done, I'm just going to use my Fenty Beauty foundation in 450. I'm so sorry that I keep saying 410, like it legit isn't. I keep confusing it with my Revlon Color Stay. I'm so sorry. But yeah, once I've blended that out, I'm going back in with the Makeup Revolution concealer in C13, and I'm just going to be highlighting. This concealer is beautiful. It goes on so well. I haven't broken out to it. It lasts all day and it blends out seamlessly. I prefer it more than Tarte just because Tarte is a bit too bright, so you know. Then I'm going with my Beauty Bakery translucent powder or powder, setting powder. This is in the color yellow. And I'm just going to be setting everything and making sure my cheekbones are very sharp. The hardest thing for me is like trying to brush this off. That's just all powders anyway, like all of them ones it's just hard to come off. So I use my L'Oreal True Match powder, and then after that just basically helps the powder get off by setting everything. Oh god, this is all so confusing. Then I'm using the Covergirl Bronzer, and this is my all-time fave. Mine cracked in my bag, so I got some more, so I'm just using that to bronze up my face and to also contour. Then back in with the Mauve Obsession palette. I'm just putting that plummy purple color underneath my eyes, smoke it out. Then I'm using a cream liner from Primark, just lining the waterline just to open up my eyes just a little bit more, because these lashes are very dramatic but so nice. Then I'm going to be coating my lashes with the L'Oreal Mega Volume Mascara in Miss Hippie. Then with the Makeup Addiction Cosmetics, I'm using their highlighter palette. I think it's Glow 2 or Glow 1, not sure, but it's the pinky shade in there. I'll leave in the description bar below. I'm just highlighting everywhere. And then I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Matte lipsticks. This color is absolutely gorgeous. I totally forgot its name, but that'll be in the description bar as well, guys. I'm so sorry, but it's so stunning. But I'm going to be using a lip liner over it. This is from NYX and it's called Club Hopper. So I'm just using that to line my lips. It's a suede lip liner as well. It's so nice. I need to sharpen it though. So what I do is just, you know, rub my lips together to spread everything, and I think that's the look. So I'm just gonna set my face with the Makeup Revolution setting spray, the matte one, and I am good to go. Yes.